I am opening the door. Now I have come out, and there are many fields here with cows and buffaloes, and some are sitting here, and this field are empty now. This field are empty now, but in a few days rice planting will begin in these fields. And I want to show you my goats. So here is my goats, and this is my goat which was sleeping. So I just started touching, and I woke up it up, and I touching my goat, and there is my this is my other goat. This is my other goat. Now this is my neighbor's house, and this is my village area. So now I will show you my garden. So I just start moving, and this is my garden, and it's empty because of too much rain. It will show you my mango tree. So this is my mango tree, and it's still small, only 3 years old, and papaya and plum trees grow nearby. And my other tree, this is my banana tree with one banana, it's not ripe yet. And that big tree in the biggest people tree in our village. Now let's head back home. So I'm returning home, and just take a weather look. Hello friends, I am here, and I'm returning, and the weather is rainy today, and the cloud look dark. If you see that some birds are flying, and now I'm returning back, and there is cow dung, and cow dung is a common sign in the village. Almost every house has cows, buffaloes, and goat, and they are feed fodder. Some houses also keep chicken, and there is chicken. And guys, this is these are rice seed has been soaked in water and have sprouted now. These will be planted in this field. This is field, and the field is filled and plowed with a tractor. So this field will be planted with rice seeds, and here are here some girls are filling water, and this is cute calf, and here are some people sitting here. So I sitting here due to which I was feeling a little hesitation in making videos, but I try, and some children are playing on the sand. Here in the village, children play with like bicycle tires with sand and with wooden stick. So friends, this is my village, and some child is playing. And guys, I make videos alone at home, and nobody helps me. When I recording, I faced many disturbances like people calling me or giving me task work. It's hard to ignore them, especially if they are adults, and I have to pause my videos, and so I am willing to put in the efforts in order to speak English. So friends, this is my village and this is my condition, my village. And so friends, this is my village. How did you like it? Comment now. So we'll meet in the next video. See you soon again. So start learning today onwards and be happy, be learning. So bye bye and take care of yourself.